What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I did a product review, but I am super excited right now because after going to about 5 or 6 stores, I finally was able to track these bad boys down. Yeah, you see it. I saw a picture of these online and I vowed that before it was all over, I would have them. So after going to not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5 grocery stores, I finally was able to find these guys at a local Walmart. Actually, I realized how silly it was of me going from one store to the next. In a world of ordering groceries, I could just look it up online and find a store that had it.
What?
I am never one to actually order my groceries online, so I didn't think of that. That wasn't the first thing that popped into my head. So me, like an idiot, was driving from one store to the next. I tried Publix, I tried Aldi's, I tried Kroger and Walmart, and finally found these at a specific Walmart. So if these do in fact turn out to be really good, which I'm excited and think they are going to be, you probably have to do a little bit of soul searching like I did to find where you can get them. So let's crack these bad boys open. I feel like a kid on Christmas. 3, 2 a box. Wait, I got them upside down. 310 calories per serving. It's Biscoff, who cares? All that chocolate coated ice cream, loaded big and thick, no room for a stick. These might put Klondike bars out of business. Hey, let's. I'm hella excited. You just don't know the half of it, guys. All right, let's go. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my, look. Let me shoot through the light. This is like a Klondike bar. If a Klondike bar was a homeless person, this is if a Klondike bar was a millionaire. This is unbelievable. The shell is a little bit thicker. You see, and a Klondike bar, what? This is best. This is heaven. These things only cost $4.50, I think, for a box of 3 of these. This goes on a budget. I'm probably gonna eat these till I burn out. You taste the Biscoff in every single crunch. If you like Biscoff, oh man. Is there vanilla ice cream in there? Is regular vanilla ice cream? Non-GMO ingredient, no added colors, no RBST, whatever that is. It doesn't even tell you. Okay. Oh, that's why it's so good. It's not even vanilla ice cream. It's cookie butter ice cream. This is like everything with Belgian chocolate, milk chocolate flavor, and a whole bunch of other little stuff. This is like, oh man, I know why this is so good. It's not, okay. So, I mean, guys, I've never given a 10 out of 10 product review for anything. But there you have it. That's a perfect 10 out of a perfect 10. Somebody spoke to my heart and thought of making an ice cream bar out of my second favorite cookie, second only to Oreo. But this, oh, okay. Prisoner of the moment. This is better than the Klondike Oreo. I've had ice cream sandwiches, cookies and cream sandwiches. I like cookies and cream ice cream. It's my favorite ice cream. But I don't know what to say. Like right now, this is chocolate everything. Nothing is better than this. Nothing is better than this. That's it. Well, guys, I so wish you could have some of this. And you're staring at it like you feel the same. Am I a bad father? Okay. So, this has been Mustafa Love reporting here for the snacks on the Biscoff Ice Cream Bars. If you happen to come across them in your local, I'm not getting paid for this, FYI. I just want everybody to experience what I just experienced. Maybe it looks like it has caramel. Is there caramel in it? Jeez, I'm discovering new things that looks like caramel, but maybe because the chocolate is melting, you read it to you. I'm still going. I can't believe it. The original cookie butter ice cream with crunchy lotus Biscoff cookies, enrobed with lotus Biscoff cookie butter and Belgian chocolate. So maybe that's the cookie butter. Okay. I'm signing off. What? one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you like these videos, you can click my face here to subscribe or here to watch another product review.